Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a banshee.
Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Less than 5,000 black rhinos left in the world that get poached for their horns. Some people believe there's a medicinal quality to their horns, but research has proven this to be completely false. They can pursue their prey until it drops from exhaustion. And they don't really bark, they kind of make a squeaking sound. It's pretty interesting. Every year, sometimes the zebras will join them for a couple hundred miles. They're 70 feet tall. When they're first born, they're 6 feet tall, making them the tallest animal. And they only have 7 neck bones, just a lot larger than normal. I think I see a couple more up ahead. Let's get better look. It'll cool them down a little bit faster. They have really sensitive skins. During the day, they throw dirt and mud on top of their backs, so I'll keep them from getting sunburned. There's a pretty cool story about elephants. This is a crash of rhinos. Those they can run really fast. They just can't keep up that speed for very long. They only keep it up for a couple hundred yards. If you've ever seen a picture of a cheetah close up, you'll see there's 2 black stripes in the side of their nose. This actually helps keep the sunlight their energy when they go hunting. They're one of the only big cats that inform prides and hunt cooperatively. The females will do the majority. Let's see if we can get a clear view over.
Tuvieron un diferente.